Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast video, I want to show you what I've done with a few cloves of garlic. And you can see them here. Very impressive. This is about 1 week in this little container. All I did was I took the garlic, I peeled off the little skin, and then I placed the garlic into some water. And within about 3 days, I started to get roots. And right now, at this point, this is ready to be planted. But you can see the amount of growth on this garlic. And what you want to do is you want to put enough in a little container so that all of the bottoms are sitting in that water. That's why I have so many in here. But a really fast video for today. I just wanted to show you this. I wasn't going to film this, but I thought, why not? So if you've ever wondered if you could grow garlic at home, this is the way to do it. And then of course, at this point, you'll just plant these in your garden and let them start growing. So there we go, really fast video. A lot of people wonder if you can grow garlic. I just showed you how easy it is. So that's it for this really fast video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. There will be a lot more videos coming when spring and summer actually get to Canada. Today is April the 7th, 2018. We had a lot of snow overnight. When I looked outside my window this morning, it looks like winter again. We got about maybe 3 or 4 inches of snow. So winter has not finished with Canada yet. So anyway, that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.